Let me show you how to design this poster design in Adobe Photoshop. Start by creating a new file. Choose solid color by going to adjustment layer, then to solid color. I'm going to choose this color. Now choose the line tool from tools. Make sure you have no fill color and set stroke to white. Set stroke size to 1 pixel. Follow along. Hold shift for a straight line. Hold the Alt Option key and drag to make a copy. Repeat it multiple times. Follow the steps. Add the layer mask. Choose the brush tool. Choose round soft brush. Opacity set to 100% and reduce the fill. Set foreground color to black. Follow along. Select all the layers by holding the Shift key. Group them and rename the layer. Drag the images into Photoshop. You'll find the download link in the description below. I'll place the first image here. Click on Select Subject. Add Layer Mask. Click on Mask. We're gonna hide this part. Choose the brush tool. Foreground color set to black. Follow along. If you have questions, write them below and I'll respond to it as soon as possible. Drag the second image into Photoshop. I'll place the second image here. Click on the mask. Choose the brush tool. Foreground color set to black. Follow along. I'm gonna speed this part up. Now, write your title. You'll find the download link in the description below. This text is also in the description below. Drag this also into Photoshop. Follow the process. Choose black and white from the adjustment layer. You can use my settings. Choose color lookup from adjustment layer. Choose agmber.3dl. That's it. I hope you liked it.
Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tutorials. Also check out other tutorials on my channel. Thank you for your support.